If you need to change your phone number on Venmo, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is up to date. This will help you maintain access to your account and receive notifications. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. This section contains your personal information, including your phone number. Step 4. Change phone number. Locate the option for your phone number. Tap on it, then enter your new phone number. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering your new phone number, Venmo will send a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm the change and complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, your phone number will be updated on Venmo. Remember to keep your contact information current to ensure you receive important notifications and maintain account security.